In today's video, how to create two-color text in Canva. Start by opening New Design in Canva. Add your text by clicking on Text option and choose font type you like and increase font size to your preference. Once you set up your text, click on Share button at the top. Click on Download button. Make sure to select Transparent background, so the text is downloaded without any background. Click Download button to save image to your device. After downloading text image, upload it back to Canva by clicking on Upload File. Add uploaded image back to your design. Click on Image and then select Edit Photo from the menu. Choose Duotone effect. Pick color you want to for the least half of your text. Duplicate image by selecting it and pressing Ctrl D or using Duplicate option in the Canva. Click on Edit Photo again for duplicated image. Choose Duotone and select different color from the Shadows option. Place second image directly above the first one. Adjust second image by moving purple square surrounding hiding parts you don't need to reveal the first color underneath. If you want add more colors, repeat steps above with more duplicates of text image, applying different colors each time.